Since she's my assistant, we decided to go ahead. First off, watermelons need a lot of water. That is why they are called watermelons. In New England, it's very difficult to grow them. First off, you cannot really plant them from seeds inside. The reason is the watermelon plants have a very delicate root system. It's not like your pumpkins that when you plant them, they spread out and the vines actually grow another set of roots. Watermelons, if you buy them in the store, be very, very careful when you transplant them. The second thing that is difficult with watermelons in New England is the soil temperature. The soil needs to be 70 degrees. The only way you can really plant watermelons early in New England is to put a tarp over the soil, a dark tarp, to absorb the sun energy. That does sometimes warm up the soil, or you can use fresh horse manure, but then that will make the soil very acidic. We planted 2 different types of watermelons. If you do want to grow watermelons in New England, I suggest you get a smaller size. We have the Crimson Sweet, and we also have the Congo. The Congo takes 120 days approximately to grow. I really don't think we're going to get watermelons for humans. The pigs can eat the watermelons if they don't come out right, but I don't think they're going to be good for human consumption. Watermelons are groundhogs. They need a tremendous amount of space, and they also need very, very rich soil. I would recommend with regular soil that you use a lot of fertilizer in it. Another problem with watermelons is the fact that they cannot be watered on top of their leaves. This produces a lot of mildew. If that happens with your watermelons, what I suggest you do is take a mixture of baking soda and water and spray over the plants. In New England, we really don't have enough warm days to grow watermelons. As I said earlier, it takes 120 days. Today is June 18th, and it's the first day that it's really been warm enough that we could plant, and this morning was 50 degrees. If you have any questions regarding planting watermelons, about Creamy, my lesson assistant, or any farming questions, especially about growing crops in New England, please don't hesitate to send a quick message. We thank you for watching, and please hit the like button if you're happy with this